Here are my thoughts on the whole de-extinction of animal kind of debate that's been going around the internet. So, likely you've seen all of the posts and TikToks, articles, and everything about science is bringing back woolly mammoths. And there's been quite a big divide and lots of discussion on this. I've been personally kind of up in the air on my opinions on this because on the one hand, yeah, it's really, really cool and it'd be crazy if we did that, but on the other hand, there would be a lot of ethical concerns, biological consequences, environmental consequences, all that. But recently, I just saw a point, ironically on Tumblr, the site known for its critical thinking and reading comprehension skills, that I think where I stand on that matches up pretty good. So while de-extinction of a woolly mammoth would be pretty cool, the point that I find myself on is that it could be used in more helpful ways first. Primarily in helping currently endangered and critically endangered species recover. Like the kind of more obvious one would be cheetah populations. Cheetah populations are kind of the poster child for being so heavily inbred, it's a wonder that they're still existing. So what I would consider to be a better use of that technology, instead of bringing back a woolly mammoth, use preserved samples of DNA from previous cheetahs like taxidermy or other preserved things, and using that DNA to increase the genetic diversity within cheetah populations to give them a bit better chance at survival. Another example kind of would be, I think my second ever endangered species spotlight focused on black-footed ferrets, where there were cloning efforts to reinvigorate the population, and I think this technology could be far better used in a situation like that. The problem with this, though, is it doesn't generate nearly as much public interest as scientists brought back the woolly mammoths or scientists are bringing back woolly mammoths, so there would be a issue with funding and general interest in a project like this. But yeah, my personal viewpoint is that instead of bringing back species that have been extinct for a long time, this could be better used to help reestablish delicate ecosystems that have been affected, like coral reefs and all that, as well as helping existing populations of endangered plants and animals.